Welcome to 2724 Abbey Avenue in Orlando, Florida. A charming 3-bedroom home with no HOA offered at $399,000. Step inside to vaulted ceilings and skylights that flood the home with natural light. The spacious family room features durable ceramic tile and an open, easy living layout. A welcoming dining space sits right off the main living area, perfect for gathering. The well-equipped kitchen comes complete with a dishwasher, disposal, range, and refrigerator. There's plenty of cabinet space and stainless appliances to make everyday cooking a breeze. The primary bedroom offers a peaceful carpeted retreat at the end of the day. 2 full bathrooms serve the home, finished with clean, comfortable details. An additional bedroom gives you flexible space for guests, family, or a home office. A full-size washer and dryer are included in the dedicated laundry space. Outside is where Florida living shines. Start with a relaxing screened rear porch. Unwind in the relaxing spa, all included with a home. A charming gazebo anchors the backyard, ready for shaded afternoons and entertaining. The level, well-irrigated landscaping stays lush across this generous 10,000 square foot lot. Gather around the solo stove fire pit on cool Florida evenings. It stays with the home too. This is Wedgefield, a laid-back golf and equestrian community where horses and golf carts are part of everyday life. Set on a quarter-acre with great curb appeal, you're minutes from the Wedgefield Golf and Country Club, yet conveniently located between the Space Coast and Orlando. With a 2022 roof, windows, and water heater, this lovingly maintained home is move-in ready. To schedule a private showing, call or text me at 321-373-3536. I'm Ryan Solberg with MaxLife Realty.